to circle geometry and integration. So the diagram shows the circle with equation. The equation of the circle is given, and the chord AB of the circle intersects the positive y-axis at A and is parallel to the x-axis. The chord is parallel to the x-axis. That's a crucial information. So we have to find out the coordinates of A and B. So that's very simple. For finding out point A, here the x coordinate is 0. So at the position of x, we will put 0. So 0 minus 2 whole square plus y square equals to 8. From here, we will get y coordinate. So y equals to 2. So that means the coordinate of A is 0. Now think about it. In the question, it's given that the chord is parallel to x-axis. So as it is parallel to x-axis, so the y-coordinate of A and B, y-coordinate of A and B is going to be the same. So here, let's consider x-coordinate as k and y-coordinate 2. So putting the value of y as 2 in the equation, we can find out the corresponding value of x. That means k. So k minus 2 whole square (4). So that means coordinate B is 4, 2. So 0, 2 and 4. Let me check the answer. Okay, correct. So we have found out the coordinates of A and B. So B is 4, 2. So that's very simple. Now question B. In question B, we have to find out the volume generated by revolving the shaded segment by 360° around x-axis. To do that, in the first step, what we will do, we will find out the volume of the structure generated by the area under AB arc. So that means this whole thing we will try to find out the volume of the structure generated by this whole arrayed shaded area. So the volume is going to be pi, lower limit will be 0 and upper limit will be 4 y squared dx. So from the equation, y squared equals to 8 minus x minus 2 whole squared dx. Now think about it. If we only rotate this unshaded rectangle here, this unshaded rectangle around the x-axis, it will form a cylinder. And the radius of that cylinder will be OAR, and the height of that cylinder will be AB. This will be the height. So from the volume of V1, if we subtract the volume of that cylinder, then we will get the volume that is asked in question B. All right. So let's consider the volume of the cylinder is V2, and that's going to be pi r square h. So what's the radius here? Radius is actually OA. And what's the height? Height of the cylinder is going to be AB. So pi into 2 square into length of AB will be 4 minus 0. So that's 4. So 16 pi unit cube. So that's the volume of the cylinder that will be formed if you rotate this rectangle by 360° around x-axis. So from V1, if we subtract V2, then we will get the volume of the structure generated by revolving only this shaded segment, which is asked in question B. Okay, fine. So let's solve this. So the volume is going to be V1 minus V2. That will be the answer. Let me check the answer. Okay, so that's correct. So I think you have understood. So let's move on to next.